2022. I am feeling extremely honored to welcome our Honorable Chairman, Shri Dayanand Sir, and Executive Director, Shri J.D. Manoj Sir, in their absence here.
I also welcome our respected principal, Dr. Ramkrishna Sir, our HOD Dr. Kamleshmi Nagana, and all our beloved teaching staff and students. Now I welcome Sri Shanag and Pranit for invocation song.
Banda vigna kadeyo gananatha, banda vigna kadeyo gananatha, modalundi ninage gananatha, banda vigna kadeyo gananatha, modalundi ninage gananatha. ಹಿಂದೆ ರಾವಣನು ಮದದಿಂದ ನಿನ್ನ ಪೂಜಿಸದೆ, ಹಿಂದೆ ರಾವಣನು ಮದದಿಂದ ನಿನ್ನ ಪೂಜಿಸದೆ, ಸಂದರಣದಡಿ ಗಣನಾಥ, ಮೊದಲೊಂದಿಪೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಗಣನಾಥ.
ಶುಭಂ ಕುರುತ್ವಂ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣಂ ಆರೋಗ್ಯಂ ಧನ ಸಂಪದಂ. ಶುಭಂ ಕುರುತ್ವಂ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣಂ ಆರೋಗ್ಯಂ ಧನ ಸಂಪದಃ. ಶತ್ರುಬುದ್ಧಿ ವಿನಾಶಾಯ दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते, दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते. दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म, दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः, दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म, दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः. दीपो हरतु मे पापं, सन्ध्यादीपनमोस्तुते.
A very good morning to everyone. Respected Principal Sir, Chief Guest of today's hackathon, heads of various departments, professors, IIC coordinators, NDLI coordinators, faculty members, faculty coordinators, and dear students. A very warm welcome to the inauguration of Hackathon 2022 at Sapthagiri College of Engineering, organized by Department of Computer Science and Engineering. On this occasion, it's my honor to welcome our Honorable Chairman, Shri G. Dayanand Sir, in his absence here for his constant support and encouragement. It's my honor and pleasure to welcome our Honorable Executive Director, Shri G. D. Manoj Sir, in his absence here for his constant support and encouragement. I extend a very warm welcome to our Honorable Principal Sir, Dr. H. Ramakrishna, for his guidance for all the events organized in our department. Serving student community is one of the primary agenda on this occasion, especially for the student community. One such personality is Dr. Vimukta E. Salis. I accord a genial welcome to Dr. Vimukta E. Salis, consultant, Architect Solution Private Limited, for gracing the occasion. It's honor and pleasure to welcome. Welcome, madam. I also would like to welcome all the heads of various departments, teaching, non-teaching, faculty members, organizing coordinators, IIC coordinator, IQSC coordinator, NDLI coordinator, and the participants from various departments. Last but not the least, I welcome all the students of SCE for their enthusiastic participants. Hackathon. What exactly is an hackathon? Hackathon is an event where people engage in rapid and collaborative engineering or a relative short period of time programming. The term hackathon is normally confused with the word that is hack. It's not the breach of security. Hack is split into two parts. One is hack plus marathon. Hack is the exploratory programming that we do, and the marathon that is what it means here. So normally we are connecting mainly to solve the real world problems. And the main objective of the hackathon that we have organized in our department is to inculcate the attitude of solving the real world problems. That is what. And for this hackathon, we have provided 10 themes, basically relating to agriculture, video analytics, and many more such topics. And we have around 100 participants that have registered from various branches. That is what. So what is the takeaway? What exactly the takeaway for the students if they participate in that is, they try to solve the real world problems, and also time management is one restriction. That is what they are going to learn, and also teamwork, the collaborative learning, that is what. The outcome is an innovative product that they are going to have, and ideas also they are getting, that is what. So this is all about the hackathon that we are conducting, and once again we are very glad to have Vinukta madam for accepting our invitation and coming over all here. So I hope that all the participants will have a great time of learning. I once again extend a very warm welcome to everyone present here. With this I conclude. Thank you all.
Good morning and a very happy morning to all of you. This is live. I'm very happy the chief guest of today's function, Dr. Vibhutta from Global Engineering College, to be here to guide you all for this hackathon. I congratulate the HOD and his team for organizing this wonderful program. They should go 3 to 4 programs in a semester. And I want all to participate in this. I want all to participate, not just few. And if I would have been the head of the department, I would have given 5 marks for the winners. Free 5 marks for each activities. It is out of the box. And I have told all my HODs, if a student is capable of winning any of the hackathons, presenting a very nice paper, presenting an international journal or a book writing or research, anything, small things, small innovations, you give 5 extra. Nobody will say no. Nobody, even the university will not say no. So, I want all my students to participate and win those marks. Whether you win or whether you lose, don't worry. Don't worry. If you lose today, you will get 1 step ahead to win tomorrow. You got it? So with these words, anyway, I congratulate you people enthusiastically. You participate in this and see that you're the winner. If not, participated. All the best. Congratulations to the department and you all. Thank you.
So good morning, respected principal, management, HOD CSE, Professor Kamalakshan Nagana, other HODs of other departments, and the organizers of hackathon. And my dear students, because the day is for you, so I congratulate you people here for participating in the hackathon. Especially I call you the makers of Future India. Why? Because I also say that greetings from Analytic Solutions Private Limited. I call you makers of India because our Honorable PM has started up so many initiatives and it has even changed the whole things of MHRD, bringing in something like Smart India Hackathons, Ideathons, Productthons, Skill India Development, and rest of it of that kind. Why is it so? Because we are trying to change the entire world. Okay, if you have seen through, the Apple which was in China is now shifted to India. So one of the brands, I'm not talking about only one brand like Apple, but most of it. So it is very important that you start thinking your minds in such a way that you start developing the original products. Originality is what it is very important nowadays, right? So that is the reason why you are all here. Hackathon is the first step for all these things, because once you start getting the idea of developing a product or an app or something of that kind, I'm not talking only about software, because there are so many real world challenges, even in the field of medicine, even in the field of engineering. It is not only engineering, it is also in the field of medicine. Lot of opportunities are there. So what we are what the department has organized today is not only like developing an app for certain products like agriculture or something, but also for other real world challenging problems. So it is important for you people to know what is the importance of hackathon when you participate. Because now, when I talk about from the industry standards, because I am also working as a consultant and I am there both in the academia and industry, I am seeing what is the major gap we are facing. Nowadays, what was happening before was companies used to give lot of time for training the students after they graduate. For example, 7th semester, 8th semester, you undergo training, and then when you are placed, again the companies used to put a lot of effort in training you for their products. Now what is happening is, we don't want training. We are trying to, in the terms of cost, if I speak, we are trying to reduce the cost which we used to have for training, because we used to keep some of the trainers there and we used to train new people for the industry standards. Now we want the changes what has happened after COVID-19 is the impact what has happened. Like we want trained or skilled professionals. That is, you get trained here and then get into the company. We don't want to spend more time training you people. So that is the major drawback what you people will be facing. Okay? So these are the steps where you can take. For example, internships are there. If you see the national education policy today, even the first year students are undergoing internships. Why? Because again, you're already into the stream of industries. You're not now a graduate, but you are already in the urge of going and taking a professional job wherein you are getting trained from your first year. So later, when I used to talk about the 10th scheme or 18th scheme or 17th scheme, only in the 7th semester or 6th semester, the vacation, you used to have an internship training. Now it is not like that. So entirely the scenario has changed. Now who are the market rulers? If you see, Tesla is the market ruler today. He has brought in Twitter. What is Twitter? Where is Tesla? Electric-oriented autonomous car system has now been changed. He has acquired Twitter, which is a software-based company. So there is no margin or there is no gap wherein whether I can only handle electrical or mechanical, every stream has become all together. So now it is not finding an opportunity in your own disciplines or in your own fields. It is you have to find problems in every field, because if you are a computer science student, you have a lot of opening because you can tackle data with data science or data analytics. You can tackle electrical or electronics with your IoT systems. You can tackle even robotics, which is mechanical. Part of mechanical people who are learning robotics, now you can handle robotics also. So for CS, there is a lot of scope, because you are all the things what is happening, it is termed in terms of artificial intelligence and machine learning. When you are learning machine learning or artificial intelligence, obviously what is the thing? You are trying to accommodate every disciplines of engineering with these two buzzwords today. So there is a lot of opportunity for you. I won't take much of your time, but I congratulate the department and the college because they are taking such great initiatives like Hackathon, which will be the first step. Now it is for you. Once you have participated in this, it is very much required that you get into the level of Smart India Hackathon, which is every year they call upon. So that is important. And please get with your teachers and start doing small product developments, thinking about the strategies, what is applied, what is needed. So you please apply those things. And it is also beneficial for the teachers also indirectly, because they will be also finding what are the real world challenges, what is there. And the group of students who are very good at it can also tackle these problems, because when you get placed or when you say you have some hacker ranker scores or GitHub scores or hacker scores, for the placements it's too easy, because your resume will be built in such strong way. And you will be also, it is not competing only with the 2 lakh graduates graduating with you, you are also you are trying to compete with the students who are graduating internationally. So this is how you can keep up your scores in GitHub. Please, if you don't have an account in GitHub, get it connected. GitHubs are there, Stack Overflows are there. And I request you all, my plea for you to use originality. Originality is very important. Because the piece of code you download and you try to put it into your project is nowhere useful. If you see Twitter, most of them, they have given up the jobs because Elon Musk had asked for the original problem statement. He had thrown a problem statement, he asked for the originality. And most of them who were Twitter employees are today out of their jobs. So originality is one which is very important. Please don't download anything. The codes are available freely, but try to put in your effort to do these things. And to say hackathon is one platform for you to do all this type of things. So I congratulate once again, and I don't want to take much of your time. All the best, because you are all the futures of India. So please try to, because once you try to do this, you are improving the country from being developed to, from developing to developed. So all the very best, and I congratulate the department once again and the college for taking such a
Coming to a hackathon, you learn and create new solutions, right? So when you're learning and creating new solutions, you need to interact with new frameworks, new technologies. When you're interacting with new technologies, you need to learn the documentation and the APIs related to it. So learning these APIs is the important part in this hackathon. We encourage you to learn new APIs and understand the documentation. So coming to the instructions, we want you to develop a solution to the set problem statements. I hope all of you have seen the problem statements. So there's one small PPT I've made for a previous hackathon which I went, and I hope all of you follow the same rules. This will help you in better presenting and developing your idea. So this is the problem statement where you include your problem, what problem you are tackling. And these are the objectives where you mention what objectives you are tackling in your set problem statement. And here's the approach. You can get creative with your approach. Here I've used a simple flowchart to demonstrate each part of my approach in the hackathon. You can come up with creative ways and develop other approaches. Following slides, you can have schematics of what you are including in your algorithm or approach. Here I have used in my hackathon. So this was one AutoCAD model which I made to demonstrate how the product will look when I've created in the final end. And this is the embedded system schematics which I made using Arduino and other components and other sensors. This is the component view. And this is a relational database scheme. If it's included in your project, you may include it. If not, it's fine. So finally, thank you. One more thing. Once you participate in a hackathon, you'll get certain experience, like understanding the documentation when you're dealing with new tools and frameworks. So this will come handy when you're finally going out as a developer. So once you go out in the industry field, they ask you to directly develop some software with given some resources. You will have to understand the resources and develop your own solution for the set problem. So this is where it really helps you a lot. So I highly encourage all of you to come up with your own unique solutions. It's fine if you need the help of Google. It's fine, Google stuff. Learn more. That's the whole thing. Thank you.
Radha P.N., Tasvi P. Shetty, Sharika M. of 3rd SEM for the topic Extended Reality. Abhay Surya, Ashik Kumar, Aryan Kumar for the topic Virtual Reality with Metaverse.
I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed guest, Dr. Vimukta E. Salis. Thank you, ma'am. I would like to request our principal sir to give the token of gratitude. Our sincere thanks to our HOD Dr. Kamalakshi Nagana who had handled the event throughout. Finally, I would like to thank all of you present here for making the time be with us today and help us make this event a grand success. Thank you one and all.